In the realm of home design, we often focus on central spaces, leaving the corners of our properties underutilized and overlooked. However, these often neglected areas possess immense potential to enhance the overall aesthetic and ambience of your home. By reimagining your corners with unique garden designs, you can create inviting and visually striking spaces that elevate your home's exterior and interior. One of the most innovative ways to transform your corners is by embracing vertical gardening. Utilizing wall-mounted planters or trellises, you can introduce a myriad of plants, from vibrant flowers to lush greenery, without occupying valuable ground space. This approach not only adds depth and dimension to your garden, but also allows you to play with height, creating a striking focal point that draws the eye upward. Incorporating a water feature in your corner garden is another excellent way to enhance its appeal. Whether it's a tranquil fountain or a small pond, the soothing sound of flowing water can create a serene atmosphere. Surround the feature with carefully chosen plants that complement its design, and you'll have a peaceful retreat right in your own backyard. The presence of water can also attract wildlife, adding an element of life and movement to the space. Container gardens are a versatile option for corner spaces, allowing for creativity and personalization. Choose an assortment of pots in varying sizes, colors, and materials to create an eclectic display. Group them together to form a mini garden, or use larger containers to anchor the corner with a statement piece. Consider incorporating a mix of herbs, succulents, and flowering plants to create a dynamic and ever-changing visual experience. Transforming a corner into a cozy seating area can significantly elevate your home's outdoor experience. By adding a small bench, a couple of chairs, or even a hammock, you invite relaxation and leisure into your garden. Enhance this space with decorative cushions and throws, and surround it with fragrant plants or twinkling fairy lights for an enchanting atmosphere, encouraging you to unwind and enjoy nature's beauty. Finally, consider incorporating artistic pathways and borders into your corner garden design. Use stepping stones or decorative gravel to create a sense of flow and movement, guiding visitors through your garden. Edging your flower beds with unique materials, such as reclaimed wood or decorative stones, can also add an element of sophistication and charm, making your corners feel thoughtfully designed. Elevating your home's corners with unique garden designs not only enhances the visual appeal of your property, but also provides functional and tranquil spaces for relaxation and enjoyment. By embracing creativity and incorporating elements such as vertical gardens, water features, container gardens, cozy seating areas, and artistic pathways, you can transform these neglected areas into stunning highlights of your home. Start envisioning the possibilities today, and watch as your corners blossom into beautiful garden havens.